Good morning. Today's lesson is unit fractions. Complete the table to show the number of equal parts and the unit fraction. Here, diagram, this shape, number of equal parts. How many equal parts here? 1, 2. So, here we have 2 equal parts. What the fraction will be? Will be 1 over 2. It means that 1 half. So, yeah, the number of equal parts is 2 and the fraction is 1 half. Here, how many equal part is here? 1, 2, 3. So, the number of equal parts is 3. And the fraction it will be 1 over 3. We can read it as 1/3. Right? Here, who will answer this? Number of equal parts. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 equal parts. And the fraction will be 1 over 6. Here, how many equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 equal parts. Fraction 1 over 4. We can read it as 1/4. So we read this fraction as 1 half, this as 1/3, this 1/6, this 1/4. Maggie ordered a whole pizza. She cut the pizza in half. Then she cut two slices in half. Finally, she cut all the slices in half. Once more, how many slices are there in all? What unit fraction represents each part? Try to draw the pizza and divide it into two halves. Then continue and tell me how many slices is there? One pizza. Maggie divided it into two halves. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 slices. So the unit fraction will be 1 over 8. We can read it as 1/8. Divide the whole into equal parts. Then label each part with its unit fraction. 2 equal parts. So we will divide this shape into 2 equal parts. And the unit fraction will be 1 over 2. And we can read it as 1 half. Here, 4 equal parts. So we will divide it into 4 equal parts. Here, 8 equal parts. So we will divide this shape into 8 equal parts. What's a unit fraction? Unit fraction is a one part of the whole. So here, if we shaded this part, so this part is one of the whole. So divide the whole into equal parts, then label each part with its unit fraction. So here, 3 equal parts. So we will divide this shape into 3 as we divided it here. 1, 2, 3. So each part will be 1 over 3. And this is unit fraction because the numerator is 1. When we see that the numerator is 1, so this is a unit fraction. One part of whole. So one part is number 1 and the whole is 3. Here, 6 equal parts. So we will divide this shape into 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 over 6. Each part is 1 over 6. And this is unit fraction. Why this is unit fraction? Because the numerator is 1. Here, write how many equal parts shade one part. Write its unit fraction. Here, how many equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4. Unit fraction will be 1 over 4 because we have 1 over 4. as we said, the unit fraction, the numerator is 1 and the denominator will be the number of equal parts, 1 over 4. Here, how many equal parts? 1, 2. We have 2 equal parts and the unit fraction will be 1 over 2. We can read it as 1/2. Here, write how many equal parts. Shade one part, write its unit fraction. So here, how many equal parts? 1, 2, 3. So write 3. Unit fraction will be 1 over 3 as 1/3. And you will shade one part only. Here, number 9. How many equal parts? We have 1, 2, 3. So here, 3 equal parts. The unit fraction will be 1 over 3 and you will shade only one part from this circle and you can read it 1/3. Here, circle is the correct unit fraction for the shaded section of each model. Here, 1 over 4 because we have 4 equal parts and the one that is shaded is only one part. Here, number 11. How many shaded parts? Here we have one shaded part. So, 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, it will be 1 over 8. Here, number 12. How many equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will be 1 over 6. Here, circle the correct unit fraction for the shaded section of each model. Here, how many equal parts? We have 2 equal parts. So our fraction will be 1 over 2 and this is unit fraction. Why this is unit fraction? Because the numerator is 1. Here, number 14. How many parts in this shape? We have 1, 2, 3. So the unit fraction will be 1 over 3. We can read it as 1/3. Here, how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the unit fraction will be 1 over 6 as 1/6. Answer them at home, then send them back to me. Thank you and goodbye.